You will repeat patterns. You will repeat patterns you don't like. Do you notice you will always get mad at the same person in with your significant other? If you did not do the work, you will repeat the same argument again and again. Sometimes nga nag-iiba na yung partner mo, pero it's the same argument again and again, di ba? You will ask questions. Why don't people understand me? Why are people mean? Why are people dami namang galit dito? Sila naman, dami namang bobo dito. Parang you will just keep on repeating that. Hindi naman yun galing sa labas eh. Galing yun sa loob. So if you don't, so if you don't understand, if you don't know, self-awareness, understanding, and doing the inner work to get over it, which requires a certain amount of courage and heroism and humility, and a certain amount of dying to yourself. The pattern will repeat itself again and again.
Full episode out now.